Hi guys, welcome to X and Yong, where we share our views on personal finance, travel video, and review on stuff we like.
Yes, today we are going to learn 3 questions to ask yourself to prevent yourself from overspending. Okay guys, with that said, let's get right into the video.
First question.
Do I need to buy this to survive? Do I need to buy this to survive? Well, survive as in you would die the next day if did not buy it. Okay, so if the answer is yes, then please buy it. For these examples are like food. If the answer is yes, if you don't buy the food, then the next day you will starve. So yeah, you of course please do buy it and eat. But if you don't need it, for example a new car or a new laptop, you already have a laptop but you have a new laptop because you just want to upgrade, then that's not considered as for survival, right? Okay, so if the answer to this question is no, I don't need this to survive, head on to the second question.
What is the second question?
Can I buy the item if it was 5 times its current value? So for example, the item is $200. To $200 times 5 is
$1,000?
$1,000. So do you have $1,000? If the answer is yes, then you should proceed to the third question. If the answer is no, you should go back home and then start saving enough money to actually buy that item. Yeah. Okay, no cheating as in you can't use your credit cards or get a personal loan because it's considered cheating in the financial world. So it has to be your money, either cash on hand or cash in the bank.
What about the third question?
Have I waited for 1 month before buying?
1 month? Why?
Through my experience, okay, the initial euphoria of wanting to buy something, okay, the impulse to buy, either caused by the salesperson or either caused by the 70% discount if you buy now, or maybe the imagination that you have. Oh, what happened if I drive this nice new car? You know, what would people think of me? People would think that I'm so great. You know, if I drive a Ferrari or if I drive a Lamborghini. But yeah, those initial impulses, well, after 1 month, you give yourself that time, it wanes, you know, it decreases. That type of impulse will slowly decrease to nothing after 1 month.
Okay, yeah. So at least 1 month, right?
Yeah.
What about if the discounts only valid for 1 week? That's like what pushes to buy?
Discounts are valid for 1 week.
Yeah.
Okay. The shop might tell you the discount is valid for this week only, okay? But you have to think it in the long term, that the shop still wants more customers. Sales will go on and on. It might be this time 70%, and then maybe the next week no. But then after 1 month, or maybe a month and a few weeks, you'll likely see the same sales going at the same store at the same price.
Wow, so, what a trick,
Yeah, it's a very good trick. Let's say you already waited for 1 month, and then you say, okay, I still want the item. Okay, I don't really need it, but I want it. Okay, first question. Second question is, I have the money 5 times more than its value. Okay, I have it in my bank account, I have it in my cash. Alright, so the final question is, I have waited for 1 month. Okay, so 1 month of contemplating whether to buy, and then you actually want to buy the item. Okay, yeah, by all means go ahead. Okay, but make sure to use these 3 questions first before you purchase something.
Okay guys, let's recap with a short clip of an example how to use this question that we just learned when we want to buy some things. So this is my friend X. He's going to a watch shop for to replace his battery in the watch. Okay.
Hi, miss.
Hi.
You guys watch shop, right? I need the battery change,
Okay.
Because my battery died already. But how much? This one just Casio.
Okay. Let me check. Okay, so this one $10.
$10? So expensive. I only buy this Casio $12 only last time.
Aiya, boy, okay lah, this is a standard price already. Battery usually $10. You go other shop also same price one.
Like that one Okay lah,
Yeah.
okay lah. Change me the battery for
Okay
me.
okay, then have a look around.
Yeah.
Hey, why not you buy this Seiko watch this is automatic watch. No need to change battery one.
Huh? Really
Yeah.
No need to change battery
Yeah, have a look, don't worry. Okay, I can take it out for you. See? You can try it on.
Really?
Don't worry. Yeah, it's automatic watch. So
But
like,
automatic watch. But
yeah,
how you can tell time if no battery?
I mean it will work and as long as you move it. So the movement is automatic.
Move like this
Yeah,
can move,
every time you walk also can move what.
Every
This
time
is
what?
like most of my customer they prefer automatic watch one.
Oh.
Because it's like
okay.
different standard lah. Okay, this one
Higher
also you can
standard
give
Oh, okay. Turning
Hey, it
one.
look very good on you leh. See, wow, you like to turn it around? Yeah,
Wow.
you can adjust the timing. Okay or not? See?
Wow, so nice leh.
Yeah.
Wow,
So
how
now,
much this
if you
one?
buy now okay, original price is $375. But because
so
you
expensive.
I look at you so handsome and my first customer today, I give you 20% discount. Just $300.
$300.
At this point in time, X is already ready to buy the new Seiko watch. Luckily, he remembered the 3 questions to ask before he buy anything. Thanks to the X and Yong channel in YouTube, let's take a look at what is going on in his mind.
The first question is, do I need to buy this Seiko watch to survive? No, I do not need it. Because I really want it just because it looks good on me. Second question, can I buy this item if it was 5 times its current value? Currently, I have $300 in cash and $3,000 in my bank account. I have a total of $3,300. So this watch is $300, therefore I have 11 times the watch value, which is way more than 5 times the watch value. So yes to the second question. Now finally to the third question. Have I waited for 1 month before buying? No, I have only been to this shop today. I really hate this question. I think too expensive lah for me. I think cannot lah. Okay, I just take the Casio lah. Yeah.
Alright, so this is your Casio watch, already replaced the battery. You can come back if you change your mind.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. It has been 1 month and I still want the Seiko watch. So the answer to question 3 is yes. Let's head to the shop. Hi.
Hey, hi, how can I help you?
I'm interested in the Seiko watch last month. You show me?
Oh, you the customer that came last month. Alright, okay. Yeah, have a look.
Oh.
It looks really nice on you. Can have a try.
Yeah. Nice watch. How much again last time?
Okay. This one come with the price $375.
I thought last time you sent me $300 leh.
Oh, okay. Can. If you pay in cash, I give you $300.
Can. I pay in cash. Finally I can buy this Seiko watch. These 3 questions really helped me to reduce my spending and buy things that I really want. Hi guys, if you like this video, do smash that like button, subscribe, and click that notification icon next to our subscribe button so that you get notified when we post our videos. So come here, Pete.
Hi, we from X and Yong share our views on personal finance, travel video, and review on stuff we like.
Yes, so we post weekly. Stay tuned.